Friday. Y'all, today has been no day of vlogging, period. After breakfast, we dived straight into doing schoolwork. Oh, here's the boy. And Isaac is at work, and I just finished mopping. So we're gonna get out and do something later on today. Y'all don't mind me, I look a mess. But yeah, so I just finished. I'm gonna probably go take a nap. But y'all look, I'll save her sleep. So that's what everybody's doing. It is, the temp is saying that it's 56 degrees outside. So we may get out a little later, I'm thinking. But as of right now, my daughter doesn't feel that well today. So she's just like laying a little low key. And that's it. So I guess if we do something, I remember to pull you guys out, I'll pull you guys out. So see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, we're up, and time now is 4:30, and Mommy to be has waken up from her nap. Yes. Have you said hey to T-Fam today?
I don't think so. Hey, T-Fam. And Aiden had a very nice nap. And it was the best. Do you want a water one?
Yeah, you can give me one. Buddy, have you said hey to the T-Fam today?
Brad, you want a water?
So anyway, we're about to, he's coming. Your sister said, do you want a water?
Yeah.
Anyway.
So they're forcing me to go with them, so.
Yeah, where's your mask?
Acting like you thirsty.
All right, we're gonna head out now. And we'll take you guys wherever we go. Come on, bud. Go, bud. Watch where you're going. Sissy coming. We're gonna get Bud's car seat out. So, all right, let me get his car seat out. All right, so now we're waiting to hitch a ride with our daughter. Hey, stand right there. So, hold his hand. Oh, here come our ride. Come on. There she go. Come on. Y'all, it is cold. We are here in the Molly World.
I gotta go.
Just follow her. Leave that. No, that's not what, no. No, over here. Get back over here. Which one do you want? You want the one in your hand or do you want a new one? They have this one, Pixar. You like that one? Which one you want? Only one. Which one? You want that one? Okay, well, come on. All right, let's go find Brother and Sissy. I don't know. They left us. Oh, there they go. They're getting Saber stuff. Oh, that's cute. Oh, this one you like? It's 1 cent.
Right. Me and Isaac always joke about it. It's $1.29.
Oh, okay.
We always joke about it.
That's too cute.
We're just like, well, they gotta honor the price. Isn't that cute?
That is cute. I like the little bassinet right there.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I would like let her sleep in that one at night. Like maybe to nap, you know.
Why? Your brother's sleeping theirs?
I don't know one. No. It's by the same company.
Oh, okay. That's cute.
See, this is this one.
Oh, okay.
I feel like this one is more boyish, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of similar to this, but it's got like more tie-dye.
Oh, okay.
You know, the one I sent you.
Yeah.
But they got that same like kind of leather,
Yeah.
faux leather.
That's cute.
It's just the thing.
Yeah.
So simple.
Wonder what's going on. Huh?
They broke.
Why would you have a fire?
I hope it's not a real fire.